All right, so we are live here. All right, so we understood the operator. Okay,
Hi Shiv, this is Poonam. I'm sorry I joined late. I was facing some network issue.
that's fine, no problem. Okay, so we covered how and or not double quotation and bracket works on Google. Sulabh, your homework was completely wrong, as I mentioned last time.
Okay, I'll resubmit it and I'll check the
Okay,
issues.
huh. So here it is. So everyone resubmitted. You'll have to resubmit. Morning, you weren't present. Okay. So full stack engineer, full stack developer, this plus Google won't understand. It's only space which is and for Google. Then minus,
Oh,
there is a space between minus and this open bracket. And after minus, Google doesn't understand or. It should be
okay,
minus software engineer, minus software developer, minus software programmer, which pretty much we covered in our previous session. How
okay,
exactly not works in Google.
okay. Sure, I'll just check and resubmit. Thank you.
Okay. Does Google understand Boolean after minus? For example, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, minus JS editor, vSchool, Redshift, Geek for Geeks, YouTube, ChatGPT. Okay, when we run this search, we were still getting our searches where we had a vSchool or Geek for Geeks or YouTube or ChatGPT. So the answer is no, it won't. It might only exclude JS editor as it is immediate after minus. However, it will show us a result which includes vSchool, Nourish IT, Geek for Geeks, YouTube, ChatGPT. So it was clearly written here. What does not operator do? So it basically helps us to exclude a keyword from the search result. Okay, here in detail explanation you have it. Thumb rule. Moreover, whenever we use minus, it has to be used at the end of the search string. Does Google understand Boolean after minus? No, Google is a straightforward. It says use minus before every single keyword that you need to exclude. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Sure. Yeah, we are
Okay,
clear.
so please resubmit. We'll see the answer again after this session. All right. Now coming back to little advanced. So we understood how and or not double quotation and the bracket works in Google. Now coming back for a little advanced. What are the various types of Google output search result? Or mm, 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 understand what are the various types of Google output search result. So we search for Java. the URL part, the title part, the text part. Okay, so we have three types of search result. That is the URL part, the title part, and the text part. All right. Understanding various types of a Google output search results. So how many types of Google output search results we have it? So what? So what are the types of Google output search results? So we have three types of search result. That is the URL part, the title part, and the text part. The URL part, the title part, and the text part. So how it is in sourcing. So based on okay, so based on the placement or based on placement itself, we can say, or based on this. So based on this, Google has some advanced operator. Advanced operator to decide placement of a keyword. Okay. So how it is useful in the sourcing? So based on this, Google has some advanced operator to decide placement of a keyword. I can decide where my keyword can be placed, where my keywords can be search, placement or searchment, I can say. Placement or searchment. There is no word called searchment, but yes, we got it. Where we need to find that particular keyword, where we need to get that particular keyword in the search result, where we need to, let's say Java, do I need in the URL part? Do I need in the title part or do I need in the text part? Okay, that is in URL colon in title colon and in text. Okay. So how it is useful in the sourcing? So based on this, Google has some advanced operator to decide placement or searchment of a keyword. That is in URL, in title, in text. So basically, so basically where we want our keywords to appear. Just give me a second here. हाँ दिनों क्लास में है यार चल रहा है ठीक है आने दो यशिका को बोल देता हूँ चल रहा है कॉल करा रहे okay. So how it is useful in sourcing? So based on this, Google has some advanced operator to decide placement or searchment of a keyword. So basically where we want our keywords to appear. Based on that, appear. So what does in URL do? It basically it helps us to get. So what does in URL do? So basically it helps us to get the keyword in the URL part of search result. For example, in URL resume. Okay. So additionally, based on this Java, I'll just use in URL resume. All right. So I just get all those results in which resume is a part of a URL. Resume is a part of a URL. This gray part is a URL part. Resume is a part of a URL. Okay, this gray part. Again, here once I open, resume will be the part of a URL. I'll just open this result. So resume is a part of a URL. Resume is a part of a URL. Resume is a part of a URL. I just go to some last result of the last pages.
Shiva, you're
Yeah.
not sharing your screen. We can just see your video.
No, Tim, you
Share
can't see my screen?
visible, yeah.
We can see it here. We can share
We
it here.
can
And
see.
URL is case sensitive, right?
Will come there. Those are the thumb rules will come there. First, understand what does in URL is used for. Okay, when I'm using in URL resume, let me just stop and reshare. All right, can you see now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so resume, if you see here, if I open, again, resume will be the part of a URL. Here also, if you see, resume is a part of a URL. Resume is a part of a URL. Okay, again, furthermore results will go. Resume is a part of a URL. Resume is a part of a, here you see, once I open, then resume will be the part of a URL. Okay, here, resume is a part of a URL. So basically, in URL helps us to get the keyword in the URL part of a search result. Clear? Yes, no?
Yeah, Shiv.
Clean. Are you there? Someone who did not understood?
Shiva, I have a query.
Yeah.
Now, in the part of the, in the URL, you can, are you able to find any skill or any keyword for that matter?
Keyword is keyword.
No, that is what. So even if I type any keyword, I will find it in the
You
URL.
type ANYKEYWORD, also you'll get it.
Okay, thank you. I just wanted a
To keep it very, very simple, you can type ANYKEYWORD, you will get. All right?
yeah, thank you, Shiv.
Shiv, I have a question. Like the examples you have shown, the resume is part of title as well for each and every search.
We'll come there. We'll come there. Okay. Let's say here resume is not a part
I
of a
have one
title.
question. So why is Java written before in URL?
You don't write it, your wish.
So
You just
not
write in URL.
correct. So if you want to search any keyword in the URL, we will have to write it after in URL : and the keyword, right?
Only not has to be written in the end. Rest everything left, right, center you can write.
Okay.
Only not has a rule which has to be written at the end of the search. Here you can write in URL resume space Java or Java space in URL resume. Left, right, center, however you want to write, you can write.
So
So
here
it is searching.
resume and Java is what Google reads as, right? And
It reads as Java can be searched anywhere in the URL, in the title, in the text. And resume should be appearing only in the URL, not only in the URL. Resume should be appearing in the URL.
So Shiv, I have a follow-up query on that. Now,
Mhm.
if you want to look for say Java in the URL, so I will have to type it immediately after in URL, right?
In URL :JAVA.
Okay. So whichever keyword I want to search in the URL, it has to come immediately after in
In
URL.
URL :keyword.
Okay. And subsequently, all the other words, where will it come?
Will come there.
Okay, all right. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks
So
a
what
lot.
does in URL do? What does in URL do?
It will find the keyword in the URL part.
Resumes in
search bar.
URL format.
It will search
No,
the.
Chandra, completely wrong.
Sorry.
Let me ask one by one. Chandra, what does in URL do?
Shiv, it will bring all the resume in URL format.
Completely wrong. E02708. Who is that
it's
guest?
me. Sorry, I haven't renamed. It is me,
What's your name?
Chandana.
Yeah, Chandra. What does in URL do?
So in URL : any keyword, so it searches the particular keyword in the URL.
Exactly. Aarti, what does in URL do?
So it searches the keyword which presents to be in the URL.
Exactly. Achin, what does in URL do?
It searches the particular keyword in that URL.
Ankit, what does in URL do?
Yeah, it searches the keyword in the URL.
Bhavishek, what does in URL do?
Oh yeah, Shiv. As already mentioned, it searches the keyword in the URL itself.
Poonam, what does in URL do?
Hi Shiv, yes, it searches for a keyword in a particular URL.
Monica, what does in URL do?
Sir, it gives the keyword in the URL, sir.
Okay. So it searches for a keyword in the URL. It is not searching for the resumes in the URL. Resume kabhi nahi rehta. URL never has a resume. URL is just the URL, which is a unique address.
Got it, Shiv, now.
All right, there is never a resume in the URL. URL is a unique address. So it is searching for keyword in the URL part. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, clear.
So what does in title do?
It searches for the keyword in the title.
Exactly. So it basically helps us to get the keyword in the title part of search results. Okay. So in URL resume, Java space in title software engineer. Okay. Every title have a software engineer. Every title have a software engineer. Every title have a software engineer. Let's go to some of the last result of the last pages. Every title have a software engineer. Every title have a software engineer. Okay. So every title has software engineer. 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 All right, we are on the last result of the last page. Someone asked why Java is coming in the title. When you search for Java, when you search for only keyword, it searches either in the URL, either in the title, or in the text, or in all the three places. Clear?
Shiv, I have a question here.
Yeah.
So, in one search, can we put in URL and in title like just
We are
now?
putting in front of you. Here we are using in URL resume. Here we are using in title software engineer. And Java can be searched as a keyword across. It could be in the URL part, it could be in the title part, it could be in the text part.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
So
When
it
URL.
doesn't matter whether we are. Yeah, sorry, go ahead. Chandra, you can ask.
Sorry, no, I was just checking. So in some of the URLs, so we are unable to see the resume, right?
No, you can 100% you have a resume in the URL. Even the last result of the last page have resume in the URL. Though it is not showing up here, but you just open up. Here you have a resume in the URL.
Oh, okay. So we will have to open only then we would be able to see, right? So it is not actually
Because
seen
the
here.
URL is long.
Correct, correct. Got it, yeah.
Okay, but once you open it in the URL, you'll be able to see the word resume.
Fine, thanks.
Okay, Google doesn't show you the whole URL this much long. Okay, this URL could be till here also. Google does show this till here result from here to here. Yes, no. This URL can Google show from here to here.
No, no.
It can show, but it decided not to show. It
Okay.
decided only to show this much. All right.
Sure.
So Google doesn't show. But can it show? Yes, it can show. If they program it like that, it can show. Like you see the text this much, they programmed it like that. Okay. But they programmed the URL should be up. This much only URL should be visible. This much only title should be visible. This much only text should be visible. Clear?
Yeah.
What does
So
it
I was
do?
asking.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was asking Shiv that as you mentioned, na, the Java and software engineer, it could be
Huh.
anywhere, right? It can be in the title also. Java can be mentioned, or in the
Keyword
resume
can be
also. We
anywhere.
can
It
mention
could be in the
software engineer,
title.
right?
It could be in
These
the URL.
keywords
It
can
could
be
be in the
anywhere placed.
yes.
Okay. The
Until
keywords
unless
can
you
be
are
placed
not
anywhere, but we just need to.
until unless you are not giving a command. You in URL is a command. In title is a command. You're commanding Google. Give me the specific keyword only in the URL part. You're commanding Google. Give me the specific keyword in the title part. Again, you're commanding Google. Give me the specific keyword in the text part. So everything has Gmail. Here, once you open in the text part, you'll have a Gmail. Okay, that's a Gmail ID. If I click on read more, that's a Gmail. So until unless you won't give that particular command, if you open somewhere or the other, you'll see gmail.com. Gmail.com.
Shiv, I have one query. Now,
Yeah.
if you want a particular keyword after the prompt, for example, in URL, in title, I want software engineer, etc.
There is nothing called prompt in the search.
I'm sorry, what I meant was keyword. My bad. I'm really
Hmm.
sorry. So the query I'm trying to ask you is, so if I want resume, the word resume in URL, I have to put it after in URL. And if I want gmail.com in in title, I have to put it after that. So how many words can we put in like that?
32.
Sorry,
32.
32. 32.
32 keywords is a limitation for Google.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you.
In last session also we covered that. Okay,
Oh,
these are the short searches.
okay. And do we have to put comma or anything like that?
No comma, no nothing.
Okay.
Space itself is and, type is R.
Okay. All
And
right.
this is colon.
Okay. Got it.
In
Yeah.
URL, resume, which is searching for the resume in the URL part. In title, software engineer, which is searching for the software engineer in the title part. Gmail.com. In text, which is searching for the gmail.com in the text part.
Okay. All right.
Even on the last result of the last pages.
Thanks, Shiv.
Gmail.com in the text part, gmail.com in the text part, software engineer in the title part, software engineer in the title part. And once you open the URL, resume in the URL part, resume in the URL part. Again, resume in the URL part. Again, once I open this profile, though here it is not showing because they named it like that. But if you hover over here, can you see software engineer there in the title? This profile I opened, Benjamin Reitman, but software engineer is not showing in the title. But once I open the profile, I just hover over here. Can you see a motivated and adaptable software engineer with strong? Yes, no.
Yes, it is
Yes,
visible in
Shiv,
the
we
title.
can see. Yeah.
It is visible in the summary.
Right?
Yes, sure.
They hosted their resume on their personal website and they said to Google, means show this particular text, the title text, as like this. But again, the subtitle is over here. Once I hover over it, then I'll be able to see. Once I hover over it, then I'll be able to see. Once I hover over it, then I'll be able to see. Can you see that software engineer in the titles?
Yeah.
Yeah, Shiv.
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
Shiv Kumar sir,
Yeah.
will you please allow us to take 10 minutes break?
10 minutes. We can take 5 minutes.
Okay.
You can just go back and come, Harsha, no problem. All right, we'll continue. So the URL part, which will show you the search result in the URL part, which will show you the keywords in the URL part. Title part, which will help us to get the keyword in the title part. And what does in text do? It will help us to get the keyword in the text part of the search result. Clear? Any doubts? Any questions? Yes, Swati.
Shiva, I do have. Since you just shown one example, Benjamin's profile, right? So I feel like there is also title. There's also kind of two types of title where we are seeing one in one go. We are seeing all the statement, and another one is we have to hover our cursor to that page. Then we will be able to see the title.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Let's say you're saving your resume on your desktop. How will you save?
With the name only.
Swati Gupta _ resume.
Yes.
So that becomes a title for your resume.
Yes.
Okay. Now, when you take that resume from your desktop to your Google Drive, how that particular file name would look like?
The path of the resume, including my name.
Not path of the resume. You have uploaded your Swati underscore resume, which was saved on your desktop. You have uploaded the same file in Google Drive. Okay. So if I'm seeing the list of items in my Google Drive, and if I'm seeing this resume, how will that name look like? Will it show only Swati?
No. It will show the entire name, Swati Gupta at the last, including the entire path of the, the
Path
drive.
will be behind.
Yes,
It
yes.
will not show path.
Correct,
Path is
correct.
behind.
Name will show at the end.
Name will show on the front end. Yes, no?
Yes.
Name will show on your screen, but path is in a back end.
Yes.
So that name, what you're seeing, is a title. Title is nothing but name board of your house.
Okay, got it.
Title is nothing but name board of your house. URL is nothing but address of your house.
Understood. Okay.
Okay. If I ask you, that will be doing in our next session, how to dive deep on the URL part.
Okay.
But for now, just understand in URL, help me to get the result in the URL part. In title, help me to get the result in the title part. In text, help me to get the keyword in the text part. Clear?
Sure, Shiv. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. So now I see a lot of samples, Quora, examples, example, samples. What if I don't want this sample, examples? What will you do?
Will it exclude them?
Negate.
Exclude. How will you
Minus.
exclude?
Minus.
Minus sign.
Minus. Sample minus samples minus
Templates.
example minus examples minus template minus template. Okay. Now we could see every URL has a word resume, every title has a word software engineer. And again, once you open, there will be a gmail.com in those resumes. And all these are the open source resumes sitting on open source, open web, absolutely for free. You're not even paying one single penny to access these resumes. We'll go further advanced later. Yeah.
Right. Just a quick question here. So this Google thing, what we have written is not exceeding than 32 words and words and operators. I mean,
It is
keywords and
excluding.
operators.
What
can we just count in, because 32 is the word limit for the keyword and operators in Google. So are we exceeding it, or we are within that?
Not yet. Not yet. If we exceed, then the search results will be messy.
Okay. Understood.
Okay. Looking at the search result itself, you can understand whether we have exceeded or not.
Exactly. All right.
Okay.
Sure.
So I don't want this Facebook. Yes, it is. Satish, you can ask.
Yeah, sure. When you say 32, is it only keywords, or else does it include the other spaces and characters as well, like colon, double quotes and all?
Space colon won't include. There is no true proof of that, but space colon won't include.
So only
Basically,
keywords.
it's not just the 32 keyword, it's a length of characters. Okay, so space minus colon, that is also a character.
Okay.
All right. This space is a character here. If I'm giving space like this, is this space character here?
No.
Not really.
It is character.
It is and.
Will it take as an and?
It is taking it as and, but it is character, invisible character. This
Unless
minus is character.
it won't take, na?
Huh?
Yes, sure. Minus is
Unless we
character.
have next keyword.
You're
Minus is
using that space.
character.
The moment you use that space, you're reaching to your character limitation.
Oh, got it.
Yeah, this space is character. Like this minus is character.
Okay. So let's say what else we can remove. Reddit, we can remove REDDIT. We'll go beyond 32, then you see how the keywords would be messy. So mostly we have our results either from personal website or the sites which will allow us to host our resumes. Clear? Any doubt, any questions? What does in URL do? What does in title do? What does in text do?
Shiv,
Team?
can you give multiple keywords? For example, in URL you have given Java, right? So beside that, can we give
In
HTML?
URL we give resume, not Java.
Sorry, resume. So can we give any other words with resume? Any other words?
You use CV. Any word, ma'am. I'm saying simple. In URL KEYWORD.
Okay.
ANYWORD. BANANA. ORANGE, orange. Whatever you want to give, you give. Clear?
In title also software engineer or software developer, whatever.
मर्जी आपका क्या देना है दे दो.
Okay.
Whatever you want to do, give, you just give. It's your wish. Keyword is in your hand.
Software engineer or software.
Anything, madam. Anything. Prasanna also you can give. Shiv Kumar Gurram also you can give.
Okay.
You give anything. End of the day, you're giving a command. You're saying, give me this keyword in the URL part. Give me this keyword in the title part. Give me this keyword in the text part. Now you need to understand which keyword can be in the text, which keyword can be in the title, which keyword can be in the URL.
Okay. Noted.
In URL, donkey. You could see all the URLs which has a donkey. Okay, like I open this. Once I open this page, donkey in the URL.
So my understanding of the question which Prasanna raised is, can we give multiple keywords in URL?
You can give your wish.
Using a OR operator.
You can
we
give.
Okay.
I had a follow-up question on that. Now, primarily when you type any
In
keyword-
URL donkey or in URL monkey. First complete this, then we go for your next question. Okay, either you have a monkey in the URL or you have a donkey in the URL.
So it doesn't work if we put it as donkey or monkey. In URL colon donkey pipe and monkey
We'll
doesn't
come
work.
there later on advanced part.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but for now, in URL donkey or in URL monkey. Can I see donkey or monkey in the URL? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Team, are we there?
Yes,
Yes,
it
it is there.
is
Okay, in URL
there.
monkey. Let's go to some of the last result of the last pages. Okay, monkey in the URL. So let's see this. What is there in this URL? Donkey in the URL. Okay, let's see this. What is there in this URL? Yeah, monkey is there in the URL. Monkey is there in the URL. Let's see what is there in this URL. Donkey is there in the URL. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes, Shiv.
Yes.
Okay, donkey in URL donkey or in URL monkey or in URL tiger. Okay, so now we get tiger in the URL part. So tiger in the URL part. Now which are the result you see? Either you have a donkey or monkey or tiger. Okay, donkey in the URL part, tiger in the URL part, monkey in the URL part. So here monkey in the URL part. Clear?
Yes, Shiv.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anyone who is not clear?
This one, the recent one.
In title, let's say software engineer. Let's see, is there any result exist which says donkey, monkey, or tiger in the URL and software engineer in the title? Awesome, right? Okay, we have software engineer in the title. Around tiger, yes.
Yes. Tiger Analytics. Tiger Analytics.
Okay, so tiger in the
Tiger.
URL part. Okay, so tiger analytics. Okay, software engineer in the URL. Let's say software engineer here in the title and in the URL tiger. Okay, software engineer in the title. Okay, software engineer quits. What is this? Donkey. Donkey in the URL.
Nice.
All right. Okay, software engineer in the title. Once you open in the URL tiger. All right. Can you search for any keyword in the URL?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you search
we
for
can
any keyword in the
search any
title?
keyword in the URL.
Yes.
Yes, sure.
Yes, we can.
Do whatever you wish.
Shiv, I have a follow-up query now.
Yeah.
When you wrote resume, and then I believe you had written Java. After in you had written resume and then Java. So that Java keyword can be will be automatically searched anywhere.
Anywhere.
Okay, I just wanted to just confirm that. I had an understanding, but I just wanted to confirm that. Thank you.
Anywhere.
Okay, okay, thank you. And every keyword you want to look for in the URL, you have to write like how you have written, right? So in URL donkey or in URL monkey. I mean, that is the format that we will have to follow.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Clear? Software engineer in the title, tiger in the URL. Any doubts? Any questions?
Hi, Shiv.
Yeah.
So I just have a question that suppose we need two keywords. I mean, let's say Java and Spring. So similarly, can we use the same operator like space, like URL Java, then space in URL Spring, like that? We have to continue.
If you want that Java in the URL, just give Java in the URL.
I need two keywords in the URL. So similarly, I have to use URL twice, like you did.
Tell me one thing, Chandra. Java can be, what is the possibility of Java being in the URL and Java being in the resume?
Not sure.
Huh?
Not sure.
How many candidates write Java resume? Your recruiter. Will you write recruiter resume, Chandra?
No.
Where do you write that recruiter in your resume?
Um,
Title.
title only.
In the resume, you'll write, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, correct.
Okay. But if I'm searching for the recruiter in the URL, will I get the result?
No.
I will get, but very less.
I will get, but yeah, maybe those things like branding things, ad
Very
related
less.
stuffs might be there, or maybe
Generally,
very rare,
Java
or
is a
very
keyword
rarely.
which people write in the resume.
Okay.
Software engineer is title, which you have to use in combination of in title.
Okay. Got it.
To get the resume or CV, we are using in URL resume or CV. Otherwise, can we write in URL Java? Yes, you can write. You can write in URL Java, you can write in URL Spring, you can write in URL microservices, you can write in URL AWS, you can write in URL whatever the keywords you want. Let's say in URL Java, in URL Spring, in URL AWS, in URL microservices, in URL NoSQL. Can I write? Yes, I can write. But will I get the result? Yes. If there are results, you will get it. If there are no results, you will not get it. So these are the sponsored results, which are not a part of a desired results, but you're not getting any results. So why?
I got it now.
Does URL Spring, AWS microservices, NoSQL will be a part of resume or will be a part of a URL?
Part of resume, so it will not work in URL.
Right?
Yes.
Why it will not work in URL?
Because they haven't saved that in URL. It's like we find keyword in the in URL, so they are not saving it in Java or any other such keyword. They're saving.
So
I
where
mean,
they
they're
will write
writing
this Java, Spring,
resume.
AWS microservices,
Resume.
NoSQL.
Resume.
So remove in URL, remove in URL, remove in URL, remove in URL, remove in URL. Okay. Now what you have to write in URL?
Text.
Huh?
Yeah.
What can be written in the URL? What people can mention in the URL?
Resume.
Resume, CV, biodata.
Resume, CV.
Biodata.
Resume.
Software engineer.
Software.
SD1, SD2, like that.
Okay. Now I get in URL resume or CV in the URL part. And once I open, then Java, backend developer resume, Java developer, all those skills I'm getting. Okay. Spring microservices, Spring microservices, Clear?
Yes.
Yeah, clear.
There's
Okay.
only one keyword you can put to in URL. You can't
What,
club.
Rajalakshmi?
I'm saying if you write in URL colon,
Be
then
little louder, no?
Can you hear me? Is it better?
No, I can't.
So Shiv, I think she is asking, you have written in URL resume in URL CV. What if I write resume pipe CV without any space? Will that work?
We'll come there later. For now, understand the use case of what does in URL do, what does in title do, what does in text do.
Can you
Advanced
hear
thing
me?
will come in advanced classes. First, understand the basic things.
No, can you hear me, Shiv?
Yeah.
Is it audible? No, I was asking in URL colon, start a bracket, then write resume,
We'll
straight
come there,
line.
Rajalakshmi. We'll come there. That is in an advanced session. First, understand the basics of it. Until unless
No,
the basics are not strong, let's not
Mhm.
jump over the advanced part.
No. I just thought of the syntax, if that syntax can work in Google or not. So that was my.
It will work, but we'll cover in the advanced part. What will work, what will not work, we'll cover in the advanced part.
Okay.
Okay. Currently, focus on what does in URL do, what does in title do, what does in text do.
Okay, sure.
Okay, just focus on this currently. Once the basics are correct, as I mentioned, then only we can go for an advanced and understand the advanced version correctly. Otherwise, it will be all khichdi after that.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay.
So what does in URL do?
It will look for keywords in the URL, any keyword that you put.
What does in title do?
It will look for any
Keywords. We'll look for
Keyword
the
in the
title.
title.
Keyword title.
What does in text do?
Look for the
It will
keywords.
search for the text
Text in the resume.
Text in the resume.
inside the resume or maybe inside the.
Thumb rules or the operator. Are the operator in URL, in title, in text case sensitive?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
And it has to be written in small case. Clear?
Yes,
Are the
Shiv.
operator in URL, in title, in text case sensitive?
Yes.
Yes. And has to be written in small cases. I can't write I capital in URL small and find resume. Let's say this example. Okay, I just make it I capital and you see the entire result messes up. One difference. I went capital and the entire result.
Makes sense, yeah.
Got maxed. Got gone. It's not fetching other as well.
So I small in INURL small. Can there be a space between operator and a keyword like this in URL space CV? Can there be a
Yes.
space between operator and a keyword?
They can be.
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
In this case, in URL is reading as a keyword. In URL percentage 3a plus CV.
Okay.
Okay, CV is also reading as a keyword. So here CV synonym resume, which is reflecting here. And where is in URL CV? The first result itself doesn't have CV in the URL.
Makes sense, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, sure. Makes sense.
Okay. Let's say, who am I? So here in URL is missing. Okay, here where is a resume in the URL? There is no resume in the URL. So can there be a space between keyword and operator in URL and keyword?
No.
No.
No. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sure.
Can there be a space between in title and keyword? Can there be a space between in title and keyword?
No.
No, no.
No, it is not recommended.
For example, in title space software engineer. Okay. See here, missing. Can you see now the one which I was trying to explain you in our last session? Google will show you missing like this,
Last time it was not reflecting.
right? If it is going beyond 32 keyword, it will drop the results of a key of a results which has a least number of keywords, and it will show you something like this. Now here it says missing in title and software engineer. It's showing missing in title and software engineer, missing in title and software engineer. Okay, missing in title and software engineer, missing in title and software engineer. So why is it showing missing in title?
Because
We
it's
have
not.
kept it in the
In title
space.
software engineer.
We give space.
Come as a keyword shift.
It came as a
We
keyword.
have kept it
Exactly, spot on. So
keyword.
here in title is searching as a keyword. As it's searching as a keyword, it's saying missing in title keyword from the search result. We have only result with software engineer, but in this result, in title is missing.
Is it because
But
of
for the
space?
result, huh?
Is it because of space?
Yeah. See, command will take command when you give that particular keyword immediately after the command. If you're giving space, then that command becomes a keyword. Here, in title, in URL, in text are the commanding operator. And the keyword has to be given immediately after the command. If you give space, then command will become keyword.
Right.
But if you give in title software engineer without space, then it takes as a command and you'll get all the results which has a software engineer in the title. A minor space also messes up the results. All these are the commanding keyword. In title, in URL, in text are the commanding keyword. And the keyword what they are giving after this commanding operators, in title, in URL, in text are the commanding operator. And what are the keyword you're giving after this commanding operator? It has to be immediate without any space. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can there be a space between operator in title and keyword? For example, in title software space engineer? No. There should not be a space between operator in title and keyword. It has to be in title colon software engineer. All right. Similarly goes with the in text. Clear?
Yes, sure.
Keep it
Yes.
simple. Can there be a space between commanding operator and keyword? No. There should not be a space between commanding operator and keyword. Clear?
Your commanding is wrong. So command and operator you mentioned.
Command. There should not be a space between commanding operator. That Google auto types it sometimes. So commanding operator and keyword. Clear?
Yes, chef. Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, Chef.
Anyone who is
Yes,
not
Chef.
clear? Harsha, you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Understood?
Yes,
Everything clear?
yes.
Everyone who did not understood single piece of it?
No, so we have understood. Yeah.
Awesome. So write a search string. We should get the results of full stack engineer in title. And should have in text with and results should show only results of write a search string for a Google search. We should get the results of full stack engineer, full stack developer, full stack development engineer in the title. And should have HTML or CSS or JavaScript along with AWS or Azure or GCP along with Java or Python or Node along with in the text part. Node in the text part. Okay, text part I'll remove it. Okay. And results should show only resume or CV. Okay, write a search string for a Google search, which should get the results of full stack engineer or full stack developer or full stack development engineer in the title, and should have HTML, CSS, or JavaScript along with AWS or Azure or GCP along with Java or Python or Node. And results should be only of a and results should be only and results should be shown and results should contains and results should contains only and results should contains and results should contain only resumes or CV. Okay. Write a search string for a Google search, which should get the results of full stack engineer or full stack developer or full stack development engineer in the title part, in the title, and should have HTML or CSS or JavaScript along with AWS or Azure or GCP along with Java or Python or Node. And results should contain only resumes or CV and should not contain anything related sample, example, template. Templates. Clear? Any doubts in this question? Write a search string for Google search, which should get us the results of full stack engineer or full stack developer or full stack development engineer in the title, and should have HTML or CSS or JavaScript along with AWS or Azure or GCP along with Java or Python or Node. And results should contain only resume or CV and should not contain anything related to sample or example or examples. Clear? And people who are new to the tech hiring, basically for everyone, what is front end? What is front end engineering? And mention 5 front end technologies. Okay, you'll have to explain it. What is front end engineering? What you understood? You can ask ChatGPT, Gemini, Google, anything. What is front end engineering? You can ask and mention any 5 front end technologies. Okay, let's see how good we understand front end, how good we understand technology. So now we will not be just covering the Boolean part. One question for one session will be on the technology part also, so that we understand what is front end, what is back end, what is full stack, what is DevOps, what is SDET, all that. Basically, tech for recruiters also simultaneously goes in this. We will not dive deep on the tech part of it, but on a high level understanding, at least do we have a recruiter level understanding? We'll try to learn that. All right.
Yes.
And at the end of the training, I'll give you some gold mine. Okay. So this is the homework for today. Can we attempt now itself? Let's see how good we'll write, how good searches will create. Just refresh the form. You'll have a question in front of you. This you can answer later, the second question, but let's answer this first one.
Shikumar
Okay,
sir, if
I'll
you
make
don't
this.
mind, I'll take my time to work on this assignment.
No, can you write the search now?
If you don't mind, I'll take my own time to write the search.
Okay, no worries. Whoever can submit the answer now can submit. Let's see. And whoever wants time, you can take time. So who wants time, you can please drop. Who can submit now, please stay on the call. Let's see if you are submitting the right answer. Otherwise, we'll come back next week. And again, we'll review whether your searches are right or not. From 11 to 1, we'll review the homework. And if we can review within 45 minutes of time itself, good enough, we can start with our session. But otherwise, if we spend more time only in reviewing, because every single answer from every single person we expect it to be right, then only we move to the next session. So that by next week, 11 to 1, we are doing the review sessions, and then 3 to 5, we are doing the real learning. All right. Basically, both the sessions are important. We learn from the mistakes itself. All right, team. Anyone who want to submit now?
I can try.
Meeting shift.
Huh?
I will try to give it. I'll give a try, chef.
Submitting shift.
Working on it, chef. We need
Do
5
it.
minutes.
I'm also doing it.
Yeah. Who don't want to give a try, please feel free to drop.
Jeff, can you please share your screen of that question?
No, refresh the
Okay.
question paper, the
All right.
homework. In that only you'll be able to see the question.
All right.
Did you receive the homework link, Piyush?
Yes, yes.
So
Not
just refresh
yet.
that forms. You'll be
I
able
will
to see
just
the question.
open that forms only.
Yes.
Yeah.
The question is there
Perfect.
in that.
ठीक है.
So Shiv, as you were mentioning, so today morning we have majorly reviewed the answers, right? Not any
Yes, all the
new thing
searches
we
we
were
reviewed.
discussing now only, right? Which I have attended today.
Yeah.
Today only. After that second session, this is the session which. So I have not missed. Yeah, I missed the discussion. Definitely,
missed
that
the
is
review
also
session.
important, which I will not miss from next time.
And
Review
review
session.
session
But
is also important.
the things which you have. Yeah, that's what I told, na, that I missed the important session, which is the review part. But I
Yeah,
was
just
thinking
submit that.
maybe I would
Last
have
week's
not missed.
your question, your submission was wrong. Please resubmit, Sulabh.
Shiv, I just submitted.
Let me just see. Ruti,
Yes, Shiv.
good one, Shruti. Good one, Satish. So every session we'll keep raising the bar. Every session we keep learning something new, something extra, and further dive deep on every single stuff. Ankit, good one, Ankit.
Thank you.
You're getting the real result, Ankit?
Yes, Shiv, yeah. I tried with the
Feeling
results as
confident?
well. Yes, yeah.
Sir, where is this assessment new one?
What? Who is this?
I'm asking like where is this new assessment?
Okay, in Google, in WhatsApp group, I shared the link to the homework.
I haven't
Okay,
received,
take
sir. I
homework
can
link
see
and save it.
the
Harsha, in
same
our
form
group,
link.
learning group, I've sent the link, and that link will remain same for the entire class, entire
Okay, all
batch
right.
for next 3 months.
Okay, all right.
Okay, just refresh, the question will reflect.
Yeah.
Okay, bookmark it.
Shiv, can you please check my answer?
Yeah.
This is showing me as if I need to reply on that front-end engineer question as well.
No, front end you leave it. Just keep not applicable there.
Okay.
Rajalakshmi.
Yeah, done that, Shiv.
Yeah, good one, Rajalakshmi.
Thank you.
Prerna. Yeah, good one, Prerna.
Thank you, Shiv.
Digvijay Singh. Digvijay Singh,
Yeah,
something is missing.
something.
You have to resubmit. You're almost there, but a very important part is missing. I asked, we need results only resumes or CVs. Are you getting only resumes or
Only resume
CVs?
or CV. Okay.
Huh?
Sorry?
Are you getting results of only resume and CVs?
No, I did not try it on results. I just tried to make this keywords and then I just
You will not
submitted.
get. So resubmit. Sushil,
Yes, chef.
incorrect. In URL I
Oh,
is capital.
oh, sorry. I'm really sorry.
On top of that, let me share my screen.
So I also have submitted Swati here.
Yeah, just a second. Let me just share my screen. Share.
Shiv, I submitted from my side.
Okay, here it is. Sushil, first thing,
Mhm.
where is your search?
It's on 140. Yeah.
Okay. So first thing, I is capital here, which doesn't work.
Sure.
In URL resume or CV. Okay. So whenever we use or, we need bracket. Do I need bracket here or do I need bracket here?
So, okay, we need the bracket after the URL. It should be continuous.
Right?
So,
Here
yeah,
I
yeah,
is capital.
yeah. I understood you.
Remaining is fine, but here I is capital. And it doesn't work like this. In title full stack engineer or full stack developer or full stack developer. It doesn't work like this. Okay, on this part, we'll cover on next session why it doesn't work. But for now, okay, this is incorrect. Just
Okay.
try to write the source string. Let me see what is your understanding. I'll not give the right answer now,
Sure,
but I
sure,
just
sure.
gave you the hint. You have a time till the next week.
Sure. I'll do that. Yeah. Thank you, Shiv.
Yeah. Let me see. Piyush.
Yeah, Shiv.
Minor mistake, Piyush.
Minor mistake. Okay.
Let me share my screen.
Sure.
You can't write like this. In URL colon resume. Of course, in next session we'll be covering why you can't write like this. For now,
Okay.
just write in URL resume or in URL CV.
Or in URL CV. Okay. Okay. Got
Okay,
it.
why
Got
we
it.
can't write like this, we'll cover in the next session. For Sushil, for you also, why we can't write like that, we'll cover in next session. For now,
Sure.
let me see how much you understood. You can submit your
Mhm.
answer.
Sure.
Swati Gupta,
Yeah, Shiv. Not fully confident, but I give it a try.
not fully confident, but you give it a try. Okay. Tick, 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 tick. Good one.
Okay, so Shiva, I'm little confused. Matlab, in case if you are using all the operators like in URL, in title, in text, so we have to use repeatedly, means with each and every keyword, or we can
Yes.
summarize in just what for example, AWS, GCP, Azure, we can just use the in text and then
No,
start opening and the
no.
no.
We have
Okay,
to use it for every single keyword.
every single keyword,
Okay, this is why
all the.
Shyam, I'll also tell you why yours is wrong.
Yeah, yes, Shiv.
Okay, that will cover in our next session. But otherwise,
Okay,
just
Shiv.
try to submit. But why it is wrong, we'll cover in our next session.
Okay, Shiv. So again, do I need to resubmit again on this?
No need, no need.
No need. Okay. Okay, Shiv.
Should I resubmit Shiv now?
Your wish, if you want to resubmit, you can submit, but otherwise, no need.
Okay.
Swati Verma. Good one, Smita.
Thank you, Shiv.
Good one, Swati.
Shiv, I think so. In the first part, I have made a mistake, right? I mean, I have given a brackets resume or CV. Is that a mistake? Okay.
Bhavishek, good one. Monica,
Yes, sir.
good one. Shreyas. Shreyas,
Yes, Shiv.
there is no space here. So resubmit.
Oh my God. Sure,
Oh,
Shiv,
you are
I'll do
God.
it.
I can't
I'll
do
do it.
anything.
I'm sorry, I'll do it.
Kamal,
Yes, Shiv.
good one.
Thank you.
Arti Sharma,
Shiv, I have a
Arti Sharma,
question.
why you should not write like this? We'll cover in our next session.
So the in URL part, CV and
Yeah,
resume.
resubmit. Achil,
Okay.
Yes, Shiv.
good one.
Shiv, I
Divya,
have a question.
good one. Yeah, please.
Shiv, I see, I'm just seeing on the results, there are few who have submitted without in text, like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and AWS. So those,
Because I did not ask.
Acha, so these results
Does
will
the
come
question
in the
ask
resume
use in
only?
text?
No.
That's it. Answer is
So there
no.
is a condition, right? We have to get this keywords in the resume only. So this will come by default once we are using in URL CV
जब by
resume.
default आ रहा है without text तो क्यों use करो उन text?
हाँ, but अगर
In
we
text
not
Java.
हाँ.
In text Java or just give Java. What is the difference?
Difference will be if we are using simply Java, it will be come in all the either of the three result, right? Title or maybe text or maybe the URL. But if specifically we are giving in text, it will come into the text result only.
100% correct. Okay.
Huh.
When I'm asking to get the results with gmail.com, then it might make sense to make in text gmail.com.
Yes, yes.
Java, any resumes will have now if you're searching for Java profiles.
Yes. Yeah.
How will it be possible that candidate is mentioning Java developer resume and there is no Java keyword in the resume?
Not possible.
That's it. You have answer. So no need of using in text all the time. That is something we'll cover in our advanced session. This is the reason I was about to ask you the same question. Use in text also. Then I stepped back. I said no need of in text. Just write these keywords.
Just resubmitted once again.
Sure, Shiv. Yeah, thanks.
Same here, Shiv.
Shiv, I have submitted.
Yeah.
Sir, one more doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, for in URL, first in URL, then you told in text, then in title, no? So
Nothing like that. You can use left, right, center if you want, whichever you want to use first, whichever you want to use last. The condition is only for minus should be used at the last.
Okay.
Divya Gandhi, good one. Bhavna,
Hi, Shiv, I have a question.
good one. Chandra, wrong one. We'll cover why it is wrong in our next session. Digvijay Singh, good one. Digvijay,
Yes.
your closing bracket is curly bracket.
Might be then some error at my side while entering.
Yeah. But that's fine. No need to resubmit. Prasanna. Prasanna, wrong. No need to resubmit, but why it is wrong, we'll cover in our next session. Shreyas, good one.
Thank you, Shiv.
Okay, Prasanna, I'll mark yellow. Whoever is wrong, I'll mark. And next session, I think our review is done now itself. In next session also, I'll do the review before itself, and then we'll cover where we are wrong. And this is where we'll be getting into the advanced version. So don't think that the first 2 hours is only for reviewing the assessment. No, in reviewing itself, we learn as much as possible. All right.
Okay.
So
Shiva,
join the next session from the 11 o'clock itself so that we'll start immediately with the session. It's not that a review. Review is already getting done in this session. There are few people submissions are left over, which I'll be doing as soon as they submit before our next class. And then where all we went wrong and why we went wrong, how it cannot be written like this, why it cannot be written like this, we'll cover in our next session. That will be little advanced of how to use in title, how to use in URL, how to use in text. Today we understood what does in URL do, what does in title do, and what does in text do. In our next session, how to use in URL, how to use in text, how to use in title, and when to use in URL, when to use in text, when to use in title. From the beginning, we'll start. From the 11 o'clock itself, we'll start. Don't think that 11 to 1 is a review session. So let me skip review session and let me just go for the real session. No. In review session itself, you'll have an actual learning. All right.
Yes. Shiva, I submitted and I just have one query also.
Jyoti, wrong.
Yes, sure.
Chandra
Sir, I also
Goswami,
have resubmitted.
Yes, Shiva, I've resubmitted just now.
wrong. Chandra, wrong. RP Sharma. Okay, good one. Sulabh. Okay, good one, but you're missing the keywords, so you'll have to add the keywords also.
Okay, yeah, no, that's what I'm saying, sir. In that keyword that I was getting that HTML CSS thing when I opened the CV. So if I'm getting in that, and just to save the 32 limit, we can try this way and also in the both way, right? This is the question I have.
We'll
That's why
come
I
back
was
there
just-
later in our next session.
Thank you.
Shiv, I have a question. When can I
Yeah.
ask? So I'm going through the resumes when I put the Google search. So how do I know these are recent, relevant, or how long back they've been uploaded?
Your question is not clear. Can you please be a little louder?
So yeah, like how do I know that these are latest updated resumes, or do I have to verify
We'll
with?
come there later. Madam, advanced version will go in advance. Today, only focus on what does in URL do, what does in text do, what does in title do. How and when you learn it over a period of time. First, focus on the basics. All
One
right.
thing
I'm not telling you you're getting the right result right away itself. Start doing the sourcing and start submitting. No.
Yeah. No, yeah, I understand. But what I understood is, I think the resumes have the updated current duration of their companies, so
That
that
everything will cover.
can be an
Step by
indicator.
step will cover. First, understand on a current class. Did you understood in URL? Yes, no. Did you understood in title? Yes, no. Did you understood in text? Yes, no. Only focus on this. First, focus on basic. Once the basics are covered, when the basics are thorough, then we can jump over the advanced ones. So today we understood what does in URL, in title, in text do. Tomorrow we'll understand why and where to use in URL, in text, and in title. Then we'll understand the structure of URL part. So there is a process to it. So stick to the process. Clear?
Okay.
Yes, sure. Yeah.
Okay, I can answer you right away itself, but I don't want to answer right away. It will confuse you. And it will take more of your bandwidth. So why, how, and all, everything we will be covering. You'll have an answer for every single question that you have in your mind now. But there is a process of it. First, understand the basic thoroughly, then you go for the advanced one. All right?
Okay.
Okay. First, focus on the current session. Current topic, what we're covering.
No,
We'll
actually,
go
I
over
had
everything,
a
we'll go.
yeah. No, actually, I had a niche role to work on. I think I called you yesterday also for that. So
Not now, Raj Lakshmi will cover. Will cover. That's in advanced part is what I told you yesterday also. All right? Have some patience. Otherwise, you will mess up. I've seen a lot of people messing up like this. Satish is the best example to tell. Satish, you have been attending these sessions from a long time. Can you please share some feedback?
Yes, chef. So, as chef rightly said, right? Do not try to gain more understanding than what Shiv tells in the session. So take it slow. Say for example, right? So there is another operator called site, which she would be explaining in the upcoming sessions. So just to give you an example, site operator and in URL will look the same. Trust me, she will explain more than 10 times as to what the difference between these two operators is. Right? So likewise, so there are many other things which you need to take slow. So what I would suggest is today's shift taught about in URL, in title, and in text, right? So try playing around with those only these three operators. Anything beyond this, it's not that you won't get results. No harm in trying, but you'll get confused.
You'll simply confuse yourself. This is why I'm saying, starting, let's go a little slow. First, focus on the current thing. And once our current thing is covered, if we are thoroughly clear with our current things, then we'll go over a little advanced sessions. All right? Otherwise, you'll absolutely have an answer for every single question, Rajalakshmi, but on a right time.
For anyone to write a perfect search string, when I say a perfect search string or X-ray string, what I mean to say is if you are able to see more number of desired results, in the sense the result that you wanted to actually see, it will take at least 7 to 8 sessions from now, which would include at least 6 operators and multiple keywords and couple of other special characters also. For you to understand all of these, it's very essential that you take it slow. There are high chances of getting confused.
And much higher.
And also, Rajalakshmi, actually, the Google which we were learning, these are all open source related searches which are coming. But yes, as he was telling that he will tell us then how we can find the immediate candidate and all in these open source platform also.
We'll go over there. Everything
We should. So I think we can try for now. And it's our luck if in the first search only we get immediate guys, and then it's good for us. Otherwise, we'll keep trying our normal things.
All right. So in the beginning, take it little slow. And if I go fast, see, we are not here to complete the training. We are here to transform the skills. To transform the skills, it takes time. I can give the answer right away itself, and within 3 to 4 weeks, our trainings also will be completed. But did we really transform the skills? That will not happen. You'll forget. You'll come every weekend to watch a bench. You'll watch a bench, and that's it. Over. You'll not remember anything. Okay. So we have structured in such a way. There's a reason for that. All right, team.
Okay.
All right.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
come back to the next session and
yeah.
see where we went wrong and why we went wrong, and that would be our advanced learning. Yes,
Shiva, I
you were
would
saying
be
something?
needing your 5 minutes. I think everyone can left. On the if you can just give me one input on the mistake I
Shiv
might
Kumar sir,
do on
when
the
are you going
summation of the
to
first one,
upload?
which I need to resubmit. On that, if we can discuss in this call for 2 minutes, and then I can try to resubmit.
Sure.
Shiv
Thank
Kumar
you, Shiv.
sir, when are you going to upload today's session's recording?
It is already live on a YouTube. I'll share the link. You can take it from the WhatsApp group. Sulabh, where is your search?
Yeah, the previous assignment one which you said, I need to resubmit. This one you tell for now. You said it is okay. We'll do it later.
Shiv, can the rest lead the session?
Okay,
This one.
fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks, everyone.
So Google do not understand this plus. Space itself is and for Google.
Okay. Okay.
Here, after minus, Google do not understand Boolean. It's minus software engineer, minus software developer, minus software programmer.
Disable. Sure.
Clear? Sulabh?
Okay, I'll try to resubmit.
Want to share a screen?
Yeah, understood. I have seen it. Yes. Thank you.
I stopped my sharing. Who want to share?
All right, just do it and let us know. But otherwise, let's come back to our Google part. All right, does Google understand Boolean after minus? For example, like this, no, Google won't understand. All right. So can we use double quotation even for a single keyword? Yes, we can use double quotation even for a single keyword.
All right.
When our search string go beyond 30 keyword, Google drop the result with least keyword. So suppose that particular keyword is must to have keyword, then we can give it in a double quotation.
Here this is coming.
All right.
Prasanna, mute, Prasanna. All right.
I thought Shiva was giving an input on this.
Okay, all right, team. Let's come back next week and discuss on further advance. All right.
Sure.
Shalom.
Thank
Bye.
you. I'll
Take care.
definitely submit it again and
So,
hope this time I'll not do the basic mistake.